Welcome to Vlogmas Day 1. Bow. Hey, what's up, you guys, and welcome back to the vlog. I wasn't going to attempt to do Vlogmas, but I was like, you know what? I think I'm going to try this. So right now what I'm doing, I'm actually doing some laundry. I'm going to run and get some food in a few minutes. Today's vlog is not going to be that interesting at all because the sun is already set and it was just a gloomy day anyway. Today is Sunday, December 1st. I'm so glad that it is finally December. Christmas is in the air. I just can't wait till what the rest of the month is going to bring and what the rest of the season is going to bring as well. So right now I'm getting ready to make up my bed and finish putting up the rest of my clothes. Just making my bed. I washed my sheets up today. I have my little throw pillows, my regular pillows, and then I just keep this purple little blanket on the foot of my bed because my feet tend to get cold at night, so I like to keep it there. And then if I'm laying in the bed and I just want a little bit of cover over me, I'll just throw that over me while I'm like writing up some things or editing videos and things like that. So bed is all done. And this is my, while we're in here, my little miniature vanity setup. Put this away. Since I do have eczema, I combine my baby oil with my Vaseline lotion. Got my little flowers up there. It's my little vanity area until I'm, in a position to get a fuller one. And that's me. tidying up and cleaning up the living room and put my clothes away. At this moment, I'm getting ready to take a shower, and then I'm gonna go grab me something to eat because it's getting pretty late and I don't feel like cooking anything. So at this point, I'm just gonna go run to like Bojangles or something up the street and go get some food. But first, I'm going to take a shower. Yeah, so I can get nice and squeaky clean because I've been folding laundry and just cleaning and organizing. So yeah, I'm a little sweaty, so I'm getting ready to take a shower, and I'll check in with you guys when I'm done. Guys, so I am currently on my way to get some food. I am about to go to the Bojangles since it's like super close. And I just had a taste for some Supremes. I've been eating leftovers from Thanksgiving the past 2 days, so I'm kind of tired of that food. And I don't want to indulge in it too much because I'm going to have the same thing again for Christmas. So I just decided to come to Bojangles. Like I said, it was closed. They gave me some food and have a taste for some Supremes and some Bojangles seasoned fries. Guys, like I said, this vlog is not going to be too interesting. It probably won't be too long, but I wanted to take a chance at Vlogmas. I wanted to see if I could really do it. Even if I'm not successful, at least I know that I tried. I was very kind of like hesitant about doing Vlogmas because I don't have that many subscribers, but I had to really think and be like, you know what, my sole purpose for being on YouTube is to inspire and to help people. So if I reach out to at least just one person, that's enough for me. So I just decided to just take my hand, try my hand at Vlogmas and see what I come up with. But, you know, thank you guys so much that have been supporting me and been rocking with me. And we're at Bojangles. Yes, could I get a 4-piece Supreme dinner with fries and Sierra Mist?
Anything else?
That'll be all, thank you. I don't need no soda, but I'm gonna drink it today. So yeah, all right, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and proceed to get my food. I'm gonna go home and eat. And I'm gonna do a mask tonight. I already put moisturizer on my face, but that was because I was coming out to get food and I didn't want my skin to be dry because it's kind of cool out, but it's not like super cold, so I didn't want my skin to be dry. But I might do a mask when I get home, but I will show y'all the Indian clay mask I was using. So I'll see you when I get home. Hey guys, so I'm back home. I just finished eating not that long ago. I think I'm going to do a mask. This is not a new secret mask or anything that I stumbled across. I actually found it on YouTube, and I also saw it on my in my local beauty supply store as well. I'm gonna pop y'all up while I'm doing this since I'm digging for things. But this is a mask. I think I'm gonna do a mask tonight. It's the Aztec Beauty. This is the Indian Healing Clay, and it's supposed to be the world's most powerful facial, and it's a deep pore cleansing, and it comes in a powdery consistency. So that's powder. It's not a mask form already. You have to mix it. So you do equal part mask and or water, apple cider vinegar. So you can use apple cider vinegar and water. Water. My countryness is coming out, y'all. Water and apple cider vinegar, mix it with the mask, both equal parts, or you could just mix it with water. I don't have any more apple cider vinegar on hand, so I've just been using water, and I have been seeing results to work just fine with water. I'm pretty sure apple cider vinegar will probably amp it up a little bit more, but I've been using water until I purchase some more apple cider vinegar. Now, I have been slacking on this mask. I've used it 2 times already, and it's definitely made a difference. So this mask is not only for your face. I'm reading it now, so I make sure I tell y'all the right thing. It's for facials, acne, body wraps, clay baths, foot soaks, chill clay for knee packs, and insect bites. So again, as I told you, you mix the clay with equal parts of raw apple cider vinegar and or water. So use a non-metal bowl and utensil and stir the mixture to a smooth paste. Add more clay or liquid as needed. You apply 1/8 inch to 1/4 inch to the face or other area. Let it dry for 5 to 10 minutes. If you have delicate skin, it recommends you use it. It recommends you leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. And for normal skin, let it dry 5 to 10 minutes for delicate skin, and 15 to 20 minutes for normal skin. I usually leave it on about 20 to 30 minutes because I just be sitting there, and most of the time when I'm using this mask, I'm chilling out watching a movie, or I'm comfortable on the couch relaxing. I'm just doing something relaxing. Anytime I give myself a facial, an at-home facial, or I do a mask or any type of skincare, I on the couch chilling. I'm doing something relaxing. Nothing moving around, just sitting around. So this has definitely provided some results. I've only used it twice. I've been slacking. I need to get back on this mask because even after the first time using it, I definitely saw some results. I saw my skin lighten up and be a little bit more brighter. So I definitely got to get back doing this. Now I did see a little bit redness because I have sensitive skin and I have eczema. So in the winter and fall, the cooler months, my skin gets dry. I normally have combination skin, and I get oily in my T-zones and I'm dry everywhere else. And so because I have eczema, and my eczema usually flares up more when it turns fall and it's going into the winter. So I really, really have to be very, very mindful about keeping my skin hydrated, and be mindful of what I'm putting on my skin because it's very sensitive. But this mask, I did have some redness, but as far as like any irritation, no. And like it said on here, slight redness of the skin is normal and will disappear in about 30 minutes. And it claims to remove impurities and dirt from the pores. So it's a deep pore cleansing facial. So this is 1 pound, I believe. Yeah, world's most powerful facial. 1 pound of clay makes 10 to 15 facials. Oh, 1 pound. So this is 1 pound. Yeah, this is what 1 pound looks like. And I purchased this from my local beauty supply store, and it was $7.99. But you can also purchase it off of Amazon, and I'm pretty sure on other online sites. But I wanted to go ahead and grab it. I didn't want to wait for it to ship because I could just go to the store and get it. So I'm not that lazy. So I just went and picked it up. And this is what it's like. And yeah, these are all the instructions and everything on the back. But this is 1 pound, and this should give me 10 to 15 facials. I don't use too much. I use about 1 spoonful of the product, and then I start off adding a little bit of water at a time. I mix as I'm adding the water so that I don't add too much water or too little water. So I mix as I'm adding the water. Little battery, of course. But yeah, I just want to show you guys this mask. It's nothing secret, not some big special fountain of youth treatment that I found somewhere. This is a very popular mask. A lot of people use it and have gotten great results from it. So I just wanted to share what it's been doing for me. It's been working wonders for my skin. I'm definitely going to get back on using it consistently because it's definitely been working for me. But yeah, I just want to show you guys that I'm out of breath because I've been moving around and I had the music on, so I was dancing a little bit. So if I sound like I'm out of breath, that's why. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm probably going to go ahead and apply this mask, mix it with the water. And sometime if I don't do it tonight, probably sometime this week. So we still have a lot more days of vlogs. We still have 24 more days of Vlogmas. So you'll definitely see how I mix it. Like I said, when I mix and add the water gradually. So yeah, I'll definitely show you guys that. And that is pretty much it. I'm about to go finish watching TV and just like kind of chill out and relax. And then I'm going to get ready to go to bed. As I said before, this video is not going to be that long or very interesting, and for that I'm sorry, but I do want to try my hand at Vlogmas. I have makeup videos coming for Vlogmas and other videos coming, so I'm definitely brainstorming and thinking about what kind of content I want to provide for you guys. But I hope you enjoyed this vlog. This is my first time doing Vlogmas, so please take it easy on me. Don't roast me too hard. But yeah, I'll see you guys back tomorrow. Peace. We go.